Hey guys, today's video is how to start a 1978 Puch Newport. I do want to say before I show you guys, it's basically like starting any other Puch moped. It's just a standard E50 motor on this bike, but I'm still going to show you guys how to start this 1978 Puch Newport. To start, you're going to want to make sure that your kill switch or your ignition switch is in the middle position on for run. Come down to the petcock on the right side of the bike and you can either put your gas on or reserve. Depending on how cold it is, you can either put in your choke or you don't need your choke. After the bike is already running, if you have your choke on, if you full throttle the bike, the choke will come off. You can see the choke is down, and when you full throttle the bike, the choke is now up. So to start, I'm gonna go and put this back down. You're gonna go ahead and pull your clutch in, and you can either pedal the bike or try to kick it over. Once those steps are all complete, you're ready to pull in your clutch and turn the bike over by pedaling it. So again, you're gonna pull in your clutch, pedal the bike over, and then once the motor starts to turn over, you're gonna release your clutch and either let the bike warm up or full throttle and take off. In our case, I'm gonna let the bike warm up and then you full throttle and it's good to go. Hope this helped you guys, and again, this works for any Puch moped. It's quite the idle, huh?